So I guess I'll give you guys the sunset version of this hotel tour. Not much of a tour, but I just want to show you kind of around. So this is our hotel, the Ban Le Mai. It's a beautiful hotel, super green. It's a huge hotel as well. So if coming right off of Patong Beach, this is the area where you can dine, have breakfast in the morning. Reception is right off there to the left. And then the restaurant, Hearn, is over to the right. So we ate there today. Really, really good food, and really good smoothies as well. So right now they are doing a little bit of construction. So, but it's not like loud. When we first got here during the day, it was a little loud and the elevator wasn't working. So we do have to walk up a few flights of steps to get to our room because they're remodeling due to COVID. They have the time, so it is what it is. You can see a little construction right there. Our room is in that building right there. So kind of a little far from the construction. Doesn't matter though. We have the pool out here, which we didn't use. I might come down here tomorrow morning and hop in. You know, for the past, let's see, 3 places that we've stayed, I think I've only been in the pool once. I'm not really thrilled about that because I really like a nice pool. This pool actually doesn't look too, oh, there it goes. Yeah, so it gets deep around here. It doesn't look super deep by looking at it, but it does get a little deep. So beautiful. They have like little bridges to walk across to get to the other side. So this is building 2, I believe. This is building 3 and building 4. I don't know if they're actually using these 2 back buildings right now because there's not that many guests, but I know that they are definitely using the front building and I think a little bit of this building right here as well. So not really sure. It's a beautiful, beautiful hotel. I got it for a really good price as well on hotels.com. So I definitely recommend you, if you are in Patong Beach the next time, you should definitely stay at the Ban Le Mai. Then of course the room, we got the standard deluxe twin, super clean, modern room. Balcony has a garden view, so it does overlook. I wanted to overlook the pool. We're like right on Patong Beach, the Ban Le Mai, and there's the pool right there. So got this nice, beautiful garden view. Breakfast included in the room, and then we're gonna see what we can get into today. As soon as you walk in, blinds, you know, nice little bathroom set up. Shower, of course, overhead. The waves are super, super huge today. I don't know if they have red, yeah, they do have the red flags up. So they have the red flags up on the beach, letting you know which parts of the beach you can get in and which parts you can't. I think right now the whole beach is off limits, but it's so beautiful out here. So I have personally been coming to Phuket for the past 3 years, and I always stay on Patong Beach. Unfortunately, this year COVID kind of got in the way of my plans of traveling down south to Canon and Kata Beach. I'm gonna make the most of it. Like I said, it's pretty dead. There's not a lot of people out and about. But last night we managed to find a couple bars and a club that were open. There were a lot of people there. Most of them were Thai locals, but we did meet some friends, and we have some friends that are coming over to Patong today. So maybe we'll try to hang out with them tonight. Just came from the beach, so I'm just gonna rinse off my feet a little bit, get the sand out of there. Right now, this is Walking Street in Phuket on Bangla Road. Usually this place is just overdone with tourists, but there's only like a few bars open. There's actually a lot of bars open, actually. If you look back this way, there are actually tons of bars open, but there's just nobody here. So I'm actually gonna enjoy the chilled drinking mode for now. Also looks like they like redesigned the roads and the streets. Bangla Walking Street. It's really cool. We've been to a few clubs down this way last year, so we'll see what we can get into. For now, we're gonna grab some drinks and relax. So this is my favorite club in Thailand, period, Illusions. If you've been here, you know it's a really, really big nightclub. A lot of people have performed here, or DJs have come here. It's super cool. There's also a sugar club down the street that we went to in Bangkok as well. I didn't realize they had one in Phuket. So I think we're gonna go into this Australian bar over here on the right. But yeah, pretty much, I mean, Walking Street is pretty open. A lot of go-go bars are open, so, and food stands. So, being that it's COVID, a lot of the restaurants close super early. So we're just coming to get some street food before we go back into the club.
Yes, everything. And 2 cheese. It's nice.
So we're getting a couple chicken sandwiches, French fries. Joey's getting a hot dog. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy these before we go back into the club. So we have these 300 baht, all you can drink wristbands from COVID. And then we're gonna buy bottles, of course. Like, you know, we're not cheap. I think the best thing about it is that they cook it like right in front of you. Like, we have our little stools here. We're on Bangla Road, by the way, so it's super cool.
We'll have the hot dog.
This is our chicken sandwich. It looks basic, but I bet it's gonna be amazing. Amazing. Yeah, there you go. And then we have a hot dog coming. The street food in Thailand is super good. It's amazing, yeah. So good. So I definitely recommend that if you are on a budget. We're not on a budget, but if you are, the street food is very good. It's super cheap. You'll definitely love it.